In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best steam irons. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best steam irons. Number 5. Conair EZ Press. The Conair EZ Press 800-watt handheld steam iron is an ideal solution for those looking for a lightweight, portable option. It is designed for convenience and compact enough to fit in your luggage, making it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. Despite its small size, this iron features a steam burst function that delivers enough power to smooth out wrinkles in a flash. The non-stick sole plate and temperature control make it easy to use on various fabrics, and it's equally adept at horizontal or vertical steaming. Whether traveling for business or looking for an efficient, lightweight iron for home use, the Conair EZ Press has you covered with dependable results and portability that won't weigh you down. Number 4. Sunbeam Classic Steam Iron. The Sunbeam Classic 1200-watt steam iron offers a smooth, non-stick sole plate designed to glide effortlessly over various fabrics. Its mid-size frame makes it easy to handle, yet it still packs a punch with a vertical shot feature that allows for wrinkle removal from hanging garments. With 1,200 watts of power and an 8-foot, 360-degree swivel cord, it provides ample steam and flexibility, making it ideal for maneuvering around clothes on the ironing board without getting tangled. The Sunbeam Classic also has an anti-drip system, preventing water leaks or staining, while the vertical steam option provides quick refreshes on curtains or hanging fabrics. Whether you're ironing on a board or steaming upright, this model provides consistent, reliable performance. It's perfect for those who want an affordable, user-friendly steam iron, with all the essentials to make ironing easy. Number 3. Butal Steam Iron. The Butal Steam Iron is equipped with a user-friendly digital LCD screen that takes the guesswork out of ironing by displaying 9 preset temperature and steam settings tailored to specific fabrics. With its ceramic-coated double-layer sole plate, this iron glides effortlessly over clothes, reducing the chance of snags or burns. Designed with versatility in mind, it offers precise heat control that's ideal for everything from delicate silks to sturdy denims. Safety is also a key feature here, as the iron has a 3-way auto-off function that shuts it off when left unattended. This iron is for modern households looking for a powerful yet intuitive device that respects fabric care. If you're after reliability, ease of use, and smart technology, the Butal Steam Iron is an outstanding choice for your daily ironing routine. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Allure. The Black Decker Allure. Professional steam iron is a powerhouse designed to deliver 30% more steam than standard models, making it an ideal choice for those who want efficient, professional quality ironing at home. Its precision tip helps you target tough wrinkles on tricky spots like collars and around buttons, while the stainless steel sole plate glides smoothly over any fabric. And with vertical steam functionality, you can freshen up hanging clothes or drapes without the hassle of taking them down. Talk about versatility. Additionally, Allure's anti-drip system prevents water spotting, so you don't have to worry about those annoying water stains on your freshly ironed clothes. Perfect for tackling all kinds of fabrics, this steam iron combines convenience with professional-level performance to meet any household's needs. Number 1. Rowenta ProMaster. The Rowenta ProMaster takes your ironing experience to a whole new level. With its robust 210 grams per minute steam output and impressive 1,775 watts of power. Thanks to its unique stainless steel sole plate with 400 micro steam holes, this iron ensures exceptional steam distribution, allowing you to tackle tough wrinkles in record time. Plus, its precision tip makes it easy to smooth out hard-to-reach areas, like around buttons and seams. This iron doesn't just deliver results, it makes ironing faster, smoother, and more efficient than ever before. With Rowenta's built-in auto-off safety feature, you get peace of mind, knowing it will automatically turn off when not in use. It's powerful and efficient, making it ideal for all kinds of fabrics, from delicate linens to thick cottons. The ProMaster DW8360 is designed for anyone who wants professional-grade results at home. If you're looking for the best in convenience and powerful steam performance, this Rowenta model is a top pick. That wraps up our look at the best steam irons to make your ironing routine smoother and faster. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in our next video.